What is up? Any details for my hair are in the details of my video down below. I use this new wand curler called the Chopstick Styler, and can you believe that this is my 5-day hair? This is the 5th day since I've curled it, and it still looks decent. Like, I plan on washing it tonight because I'm a perfectionist and these little flyaways are on my nerves, but like, I could totally put this up in a pineapple and put me a scarf on and be cute. I love that thing. And I will do a video and a tutorial on how I do my chopstick curls probably next time. I don't even have my product with me, so let me start over. All right, so here we go. What's up, guys? It is me, Kateralyn, coming at you today with a product review. I probably shouldn't be shaking this, but I ordered some foundation online, and we all know what happens when you order foundation online. Everybody say hi to Gizmo. He's gonna be in my video today. I am trying the Makiage foundation, where you take this little quiz online and shows you some pictures and it matches your foundation, and they send you foundation, and you can add in extras like concealer, but they send you this foundation and you can try it out, and if it's not a match and you don't like it, you can return it. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm just so, I don't know what to think about this. I'm so nervous to try this. Like, I've had this package for maybe like a whole week and I haven't opened it, so I'm probably past the trial period. So I'll probably have to keep it anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter. I haven't even opened it yet. But here we go. There's nothing else in there. The package says, there's no such thing as too much. Okay, here it is. Nice little simple marketing cardboard box, metallic logo. So how it works. Number 1, try these products. These products are yours to try for 14 days. 14 days. So I still got a little bit of time on the day they were delivered. I don't remember what day it was delivered. So number 2, love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit their website to return, and they'll print out or they'll create you a return label and you'll send it back within the 14 days of delivery. And at the end of the trial, you'll only be charged for the products you keep. So I think I got a foundation and a concealer. Yes. And it even gives you instructions on how to apply their foundation. Wait 5 minutes for a foundation to set before checking the shade. Okay. All right. Here is the box. This is cute. Very cute. Here is the concealer. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. What's this? I'm guessing this is my packing slip. Yeah, my packing slip. We don't need to worry about that. So let's get this out the way. Put these scissors up. I got my primer just in case, because I didn't know if I was gonna need to prime before I put this on, because I always prime before I put on foundation, but I don't know in this case. I think I probably am. Their packaging is super cute. It's like a little pedestal. That's cute, right? So maybe I'll just start with the concealer. How about we start there? Oh, this is cute. F word, I'm flawless. Can you see that? Cute, cute names. And the name of my foundation is Woke Up Like This, number 165. And it looks like, I don't know, it looks a little orangey, but I have a lot of red and orange yellow tones, so it might work. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so let me put on some primer real quick. And I'm just gonna use the primer by Benefit, the Professional. My face is clean, except for my eyes. I have on a little bit of eyeshadow because I didn't want to scare y'all. I have been working all morning from home. A lot of y'all working from home still. Has your city opened back up yet? Has your job went back from teleworking? Mine has not. And I don't know when we are going to be able to go back in the office, but let me tell you something. I have been at home with these kids for over 30 days. And I'm about to lose my chicken nuggets. It's just me venting. I love my kids, but God, dog. We've been all day, all night, every day, even on the weekends. I'm the lunch lady, I'm the counselor, I'm the physical education teacher. I still have to do my work. It's just a lot. All right, so we're opening this foundation. I'm just gonna get that out the way so I can get it open and ready to go. Let's start with this concealer, and it is Fuck I'm Flawless. That's what it's called. I like the tube that it comes in. I don't know, let's see. We're gonna start here, because I'm a little dark around the eyes. I woke up at 3 this morning to start working, so I could work while the kids were asleep. So that's pretty good. Look at that. Looks good. Looking good. So far, so good. So far, so good. That blends really good. It looks like skin. That's ridiculous. It doesn't even make me look ashy, and it's concealer. Concealer always makes me look ashy. All right, so let's get to this foundation. What are the instructions? Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do my face because I'll probably go outside in a minute, and I don't need all that. I don't need to be super glam. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand, like I just did with the concealer. Don't do that. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. So it says go back over with the concealer, but obviously I didn't do that. But if I were to highlight, yes, I would go back with the concealer, but I'm not gonna highlight today because I'm not going anywhere. And the last step is wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. We'll see. We will see. Do not apply this with your fingers, it says. That just seems like a lot. I did like 1.5 pumps. Okay, here we go. I'm scared that this is not gonna match. I'm so scared. I don't wanna be looking crazy. Like, I haven't tried this. You saw me open it. So this is my, bless you. It's one of my kids. This is my first time trying this. I did not try it off camera, so what you see is what you get. Oh my gosh. I might have needed those 2 pumps. It matches. I can't believe it matches. Oh my gosh. Don't match it to your neck. it matches. I can't believe it matches. Oh my gosh. Like it matches. It evened me completely out. It took away all that red. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it matches. I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, there's nothing else for me to do. It's already on there and it matches. I don't have to do anything else. I can just go like this. I'm sold. I'm gonna keep it. Like, I'm really in awe that this matches. I cannot believe that this matches so well. I keep saying that. Like, I really thought it wasn't gonna match. Because in the quiz, they give you these pictures of these other ladies to kind of, you know, match up to your skin tone. Like, they all have different color hair, different shades, different undertones. And I'm really with the mirror taking this quiz, looking at myself, comparing it to the lady next to my phone. And I'm like, oh, like, I'm sure I'm picking the wrong person. But it matches. That is really crazy. I thought that those, I've been getting these ads on my Facebook and my Instagram all throughout my feed. And I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. But I did not think that it was gonna work. But it worked. Like, I can't, oh my gosh. I can't believe it matches perfectly. It's like skin. You can still see my freckles. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Gizmo's like, he's totally ignoring me. He's asleep. I want to thank you all for being with me for this trying time, because I was really, I was stressed, y'all. Like, I thought this was not gonna match, but it matches. And I'm super excited that it matches. And I'm gonna keep everything, even the concealer. Like, if I were to go back in with the concealer, it would make a good highlight, a good natural highlight. Sometimes I'm here for the drama, but that would make a good natural highlight. I love it. Love it so much. So I'm gonna keep this. It's gonna go into my collection. I'm gonna keep this in my makeup collection. Probably will be my, not my everyday foundation, because I don't wear foundation every day. I am more of a BB cream, tinted moisturizer girl every day. But if I'm going somewhere or I'm getting ready to film, then definitely this. I love it. So that is gonna conclude my video for the Il Makiage foundation. I am in love. Not my everyday foundation, but definitely a special occasion or I'm going somewhere foundation. I can't believe it matched, y'all. I still can't believe that it matched. I'm so impressed, totally impressed. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And here comes my daughters. Daughter number 1, daughter number 2. Say hello.
Hi.
But thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time.
We have lunch.
Bye.
We have lunch.